Hi everyone, I'm Lorie from Dee's, and today we're going to show you how to make this adorable Merry Christmas swag. Everything that you need will be available in the kit, and it's going to be fun and easy to do. So first, you're going to have your 12-inch piece of greenery garland that we've already pre-cut and have all ready for you. And you're just going to want to straighten it up like we do with all of our greenery stems. We just want to fluff it, open it up, and kind of bring it to life. Also, in your kit, you are going to receive this piece of green tinsel tie. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and wrap this around our piece of greenery so that we can make a hanging loop for our swag. So I just crisscrossed that over, and now we have a nice little loop. And I'm going to put this on my wreath board. And for those of you who are interested, these are back in stock and available on our site at shopdeeslouisville.com. These are a wonderful piece if you're going to do a lot of floral. It's just so nice to be able to stand back and look at what you're making. So this will be quick and easy. So we've got this all attached. So to start out with, in your kit, you're going to have these two beautiful greenery stems. These are really nice. They've got some cedar in them, some other assorted greens, your pine cones, and your berries. And they're really pretty with all the different textures. So I'm just going to remove this tag off of here. And what we're going to do is we're going to just simply place this at the top of our greenery piece. And use our greenery on our base to just twist around and hold our piece into place. And you can go back and kind of fluff it up and straighten that up. I'm going to twist this one more time down here. So next, we're going to take our ornament. So this is a really cute Merry Christmas ornament. It did come with the jute hanger, but I found it was easier to just go ahead and pre-drill a hole. So I'm just cutting off this jute hanger, and we've already pre-drilled the hole ready for you to hang. And I'm going to take a piece of my cloth covered wire and just put it right through that hole, just like so. And then we're going to be able to go up in here and just wire this right to our swag. So we're just going to catch that on there, wrap it around the back, pull it nice and tight, and just twist that wire to keep it nice and secure. Then you can trim off your excess wire. Okay, so the next part is to take our next stem. This is your second one of that beautiful greenery stem with the pine cones and the berries. We're just going to fluff it up. Remove our tag, and this one is going to go in at the bottom. Again, I'm using my greenery ties to attach everything, but you can always use your glue. That works fine too. And I'm just taking a couple tags and tying those real tight around that stem. And then that little pine cone helps to hold our ornament in place. So there we have that. So next, we're going to add our beautiful greenery, our beautiful ribbons. So we have this adorable polka dot wired ribbon with the red glitter dots. This is really cute. And we have this nice red that brings out those dots. And then we're going to have a number 9 in a stripe that has a little bit of a glitter thread. So we're going to make our bow for the top. So I'm just going to start out. I'm going to make a little tail. Twist, gather, twist, gather. Next, I'm going to add in my red, pinch, twist, gather, twist, gather. And last but not least, our beautiful stripe. Add that in. It always looks nice too to mix your sizes of ribbons because it just gives it a little more depth to it, and it doesn't quite get as muddled if you were to use all large ribbons. So this is a really cute little combination. We're going to wire this off Just wrap my wire right around and twist that off on the back. And I can trim my wire a little bit. And we're just going to go right up in here and wire our bow right in up here at the top around our picks that we've attached. And I'm just wiring it right around the back there. And now we're going to trim off our excess ribbons. Okay, now we're going to go back and make another bow for the bottom of our swag. So we're going to do the same thing again. Make a little tail, twist, twist, add our red in, twist, twist, and then we're going to add our plaid. So we're going to drop our tail on this one on our plaid so you have a nice long streamer that can hang off at the bottom. Make our loop and make our loop. And again, we're just going to take our wire, a piece of wire, and wrap that right around our bow and attach it right here at the bottom, right under that pine cone. And again, you're just going to wire it off on the back. And then you can go back and straighten up your tails and fluff up your bow. And the most important part is trimming those tails. Make some nice little pretty V-cuts. Again, you're just folding your ribbon in half, letting the wire edges touch and cutting that triangle right out. And one more under here. Okay, and then we're going to fix the top. These would make a great Christmas gift. These would be fun for a get-together. You and your girlfriends or some family members could get together and create something really fun for Christmas. I don't know about you, but things that are handmade are just so special to receive as a gift. So these are really fun, really pretty, and everybody could find a place to put a cute door decoration. And last but not least, we have these red and green waterproof berries that are really cute. So we're going to remove our tags. And I'm just going to trim a little bit off my stem. You can go in and tuck these in using your greenery, or I'm just going to put a little dot of glue on the bottom of my stem and just push this right down in there. And then you can spread out your berries throughout your piece. And it just adds another texture and some pretty color to make that bow really pop. Take your last one that's included in your kit. Again, I'm just going to trim a little bit off of the end of that stem. Open up my berries. Put a dot of glue. And it's just going to go right up in there. And again, you just want to fluff it up to make it come to life. And there you have it. A beautiful, quick and easy Merry Christmas swag. So these are available at shopdeeslouisville.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more fun projects by Dees.